There's nothing more annoying than launching or retrieving your boat and getting your feet wet, particularly in the winter time when the water's like ice. The brilliant Release and Retrieve Boat Latch makes the job quick, safe, and about as easy as it gets. To launch, you simply reverse your rig down the ramp, stopping just short of the water's edge, then flick the spring-loaded arm into the release position. You can then unhook the boat from the winch and the safety chain and allow it to slide back onto the latch. Next step is to reverse the trailer all the way back to your normal launching depth, start your motor and get ready to go. A short burst of forward thrust will cause the latch to release, and you can then idle back off the trailer and you're away. The retrieving process is just as simple. Before reversing the trailer down the ramp, flick the latch's spring-loaded arm to the retrieve position. Now reverse all the way down to your normal retrieval depth and signal the boat driver to approach. This shouldn't be a bull at a gate type exercise, but rather a slow, steady approach that allows the driver to enter the trailer with full control. It's a good idea to wait a few seconds after the bow has engaged the end trailer roller. This allows you to straighten up the boat for a perfect line. Next step is to apply just enough power to push the boat up onto the trailer. Maintain steady forward momentum until the snare slips up over the spring-loaded arm and the latch engages the bow. You'll feel it and hear an audible click once the snare is secure. Finally, shut down the motor and trim it up before you're pulled out of the water. It's wise to stop a few metres up the ramp and have the car driver attach the trailer's winch cable and safety chain before heading to the rigging area. There's really nothing to it. You've launched and retrieved your boat without getting your feet wet or having to worry about ropes, heavy winching, slipping over, or any of the other usual boat ramp hassles. The Release and Retrieve Boat Latch is available for both fiberglass and aluminium boats of all sizes. It won major acclaim recently from the judges of the ABC's The New Inventors program, and it's doing the same here with boaties all over the country and even overseas.